Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be telling you about Pieces for Developers, which is an AI powered developer productivity tool. I'm going to be telling you about what is Pieces to how you can use Pieces to boost your development workflow. So first of all, Pieces can be downloaded from Chrome and then type pieces.app and then you can install the desktop app from here. So once you install the desktop app, it'll also install a Pieces OS, and then once all those are installed, then you can see the screen, and then you can see several other views here. So here in the home view or the normal saved materials view, you see your saved snippets. So snippets are basically pieces of code that you save to use later, and you get the context preview window here, which shows you the related links and stuff for this code. And now I'm going to be telling you about how you can add and manage the pieces snippets. So let's say you go to Stack Overflow, okay, and then I'm looking for a code to generate random whole numbers in JavaScript, and then I see this code. I wish to use this code in my actual project, so I'll just click on copy and save, and then it'll go saving, and then it'll be saved to my actual Pieces app. So I'm going to go to my Pieces app, and here is the code. So the snippet is being loaded, and as you can see, the snippet from Stack Overflow is loaded in my Pieces window, and then I'll have this saved and I can use this whenever I want. For this, you have to install the Pieces Chrome extension, which you can install from the Chrome Web Store. You can go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Pieces Chrome extension. This is the Chrome extension, Pieces for Developers. And then I'm going to be showing about the Visual Studio Code extension. So I have to go to the extensions panel here and then type Pieces. So you'll see this Pieces for VS Code, and then you'll get this Pieces Explorer and Pieces Copilot. So I'm going to just open the terminal here, and then I'm going to drag the Pieces Copilot here so I can access this Copilot from this section. And then it's showing that Pieces OS is not running, so I'll just run the Pieces OS, and then it's being connected, and then the Pieces OS is up and running. Now let me write some code. Now I have this piece of code. Now I want to save it as a snippet. You can go ahead and select this, right click, go to Pieces, and then save to Pieces, this one. And then your piece is saved in Pieces. So then you go to Pieces, and here's my snippet. So as you can see, it's really simple. And then maybe you save some snippet earlier. For this example, I'll take the random number generation functions. Okay, so if you want to import a snippet in your code, you'll just have to right click, Pieces, and then you can search Pieces, and then random number generating functions. I'll just select that, and I have this code here, which I can select and use in my code. So as you can see, it's really simple to use. So you also have this Pieces feature, which can identify code from images of code. It's not like the normal OCR you see. It like actually writes your code with the syntax highlighting and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and type JS code, and then for example, maybe I want to save this code. So I'm gonna just take a screenshot of the code, and then I'll go to add materials and paste code or drag and drop an image. And then as you can see, the image of the code has been converted to actual code, which you can copy and paste, and it's also saved as a snippet. You can change the language here. It's the wrong language. I'm going to select JavaScript here. Yeah, and as you can see, the image has been converted to actual usable code. And in PC you also have the snippet discovery feature here. You can upload a folder, a file, or GitHub gists here, and then it'll extract some useful snippets from the code. You can also click on add materials and click on describe snippet to generate, and you can type what type of snippet do you want, and then it'll be an AI generated snippet. You can also chat with copilots in the copilot chat section, and then you can select the model you want to use. It may be a cloud model like Palm 2, Gemini, or OpenAI, or on-device models like the Llama 2 by Meta, or the Microsoft models, or the Mistral models. And so you can go ahead and turn on live context here, and then you can work on some project, and then go and ask the copilot about What am I working on? Then it'll tell you what you're working on currently with the live context feature. And then as you can see, we have this AI telling us what apps do we have open and what are we working on. You can check out the other tabs here to learn more about Pieces, and Pieces has a great potential in the software industry, and you can try it out today to boost your development workflow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, goodbye.